If your car only experiences a rough idle without any other symptoms, then this video is for you. You may notice your vehicle vibrating or feeling like it wants to turn off when stopped at a red light or stop sign. However, as you begin to drive, the shaking goes away, and the car seems fine. Today, we'll discuss the most common causes of this issue, so let's start it. The first cause: rough idle, clogged or stuck idle air control valve. The idle air control valve regulates the amount of air entering the engine while idling. However, not all cars have one, as newer models use an electronic throttle body to adjust airflow. When the IAC valve gets clogged or stuck closed, it restricts the airflow necessary for proper combustion. This disrupts the air-fuel mixture, leading to rough idling. The IAC valve is typically located near the throttle body. If you suspect a clogged idle air control valve, you can clean it using the proper cleaning solution. The second cause: rough idle, is dirty throttle plate. The throttle plate controls the airflow into the engine. When you press the gas pedal, it opens to allow more air in. However, at idle, it remains slightly open to let in just enough air. Over time, dirt and carbon buildup can accumulate around the throttle plate, restricting airflow. This imbalance in the air-fuel mixture can cause rough idling, leading to noticeable vibrations or shaking. Fortunately, cleaning the throttle plate is a simple fix. Using a carburetor cleaner can restore proper airflow and smooth out your car's idle. The third cause: rough idle, is dirty or faulty MAF sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and helps the ECM determine the correct fuel mixture. A dirty or malfunctioning MAF sensor can send incorrect readings to the ECM, resulting in a rough idle. Cleaning the MAF sensor with a specialized MAF sensor cleaner can often resolve the issue. If cleaning doesn't help, the sensor may need to be replaced. The fourth cause: rough idle, is low fuel pressure. If your fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator is not functioning properly, your car may not be getting the correct amount of fuel, leading to rough idling. Low fuel pressure can be caused by a failing fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, or a faulty fuel pressure regulator. If you suspect this issue, checking the fuel pressure using a fuel pressure gauge can help diagnose the problem. If the pressure is too low, replacing the fuel pump or filter may be necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.